Hello, this is Bob with However the Wind Blows, and I'm alone. Angie's not with me, but I just wanted to show you just another thing, another added project that I did to make it a little easier for us to get our shoes out when our shoes was in a little cubby. Now this is the cubby, and when you pull this out, you have to, I don't know if you can see all the way back there, but you got to reach all the way in the back to try to get your shoes. So what I did was I just cut this trim out, and then I just added a drawer, and all it does is slide on the rug, and you can get it all the way out to get your shoes. Then you just slide it back in, and when you close it, you don't even know, because you really can't see. It was just a quick, easy project, and I just wanted to share with anybody that might want to do it themselves. We love it. It just makes it, because half the time I got to get on my belly to reach all the way back there. So I hope you enjoyed this. God bless, and have a great day.